Pippit AI Agent has launched new model Dreamina Seedance 2.0 now in early access on Pippit. Take a look. On the left side is an idea and on the right side is what the new model can turn it into. And you can immediately see the difference from a single input to a complete visual story with rich details and smooth motion. And this opens a completely new way to create visual content. Experience it on Pippit AI, link in the description. So this is what I am doing. You can see my screen right now and this is the main page for Pippit. The interface is clean and not too busy. I'm going to explore the new models right now. So we are inside the dashboard now. Here's the prompt box. The magic begins here. I'm going to write something detailed to really test the output quality. Close-up shot of a woman standing in the rain at night with city lights reflecting on the wet pavement and an emotional expression on her face. Then the camera slowly pushes in, showing high definition detail. I will keep everything on default. I'm now clicking generate. Okay, this is making right now. And while it's rendering, let me tell you what we are looking for. The plastic skin look and strange glitches are usually the biggest giveaways in AI video. And this test is all about fine textures, details like skin, lighting and small variations. Okay, it's finished. Let's play. Now check this out. The first things I notice is the textures of the skin. It looks detailed and natural without that typical AI smooth plastic feel. There is natural variation. The rain and the light work together in a way that makes sense. And stop right there. Look at the face. Even subtle changes in expression feel intentional, not repeated or artificial. Now I'm going to get closer. No edges that melt, no flickering artifacts. The hair moves naturally in the rain. And that is what clean, high quality textures detail looks like. Now let's try something more difficult. I want to test motion. So for this, the new prompt will be a futuristic sports car drifting around a mountain curve at sunset with a tracking shot, dust particles in the air and a dynamic camera movement. Typing that in now, clicking create. And this is where most AI video models break. Fast movement. Okay, it's done. Let's play. Wow, look at the tracking shots. The camera follows the car smoothly around the curve. The key thing here is motion stability. Everything stays consistent from frame to frame. The dust particles don't flicker or reset. The reflection on the car moves naturally as the angle changes. And stop. Look at the tires touching the road. There's no sliding or glitching. The motion feels continuous and solid. You can also notice no broken frames, no distortion, just smooth movement all the way through. Now I want to focus on camera control. Same type of complex prompt, but this time we are looking at movement of the camera itself. Okay, so I'm generating it. Now let's play. Watch how the camera moves, and this is where things get interesting. You can see a clear push, tracking and angle shift happening smoothly. And this movement is not random. It feels structured and controlled, as you can see also. As the subject moves, the camera adjusts naturally. And this is the kind of dynamic angle movement, push, pull and follow that makes visuals feel more polished. Okay, let's move into storytelling. A medieval knight walking through a village on fire at night with sparks flying, slow motion, emotional lighting and a handheld camera feel. The test is about whether the scene can stay consistent as the story unfolds. Okay, so it's generated now. Now let's play it. Now look at this. The sparks move naturally. The firelight shifts across the armor as he walks. More importantly, as you can also see, everything stays connected. Nothing resets or breaks between movements. The handheld movement adds variation but state control. And this is what storytelling consistency looks like. Mood, motion and elements all working together. Now I want to test something more conceptual. A huge whale swimming through the sky over a modern city, clouds parting, a wide shot and very detailed. Okay, now it's come. Let's play it. Now look at this. The whale, the clouds, the city, everything sits in the same space correctly. There is a clear depth, layering and perspective across the whole scene. The lighting from below interacts with the whale naturally, and this level of visual control makes it suitable for product visuals and brand style content. And it does not feel flat, it does not feel disconnected. It feels like a complete high-end visual output. Now let me take a step back and look at everything we just tested. Rain scene for textures, car drift for motion, camera movement, story scene and a full conceptual visual. Each one focuses on a different strength and each one holds up consistently. I thought it would be good. I did not expect it to be this stable across completely different types of scenes. Usually you get one or two good moments but the rest break. But here it actually holds together, and that's the part that really stands out to me. So now I know you want to explore it too. Pippit AI Agent now has early access to Dreamina Seedance 2.0 on Pippit official account. I have also added the link in the description. You can try it yourself. If you have any questions about Pippit AI or this video, then you can comment down below. And if you want to learn more about AI videos like this, then definitely hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to learn a similar AI tool like this, then definitely you should watch this video now. Now that's it. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button and share this video with friends, creators, marketers or business owners. And lastly, I want to ask ask you. Let me know in the comments what type of video and elements you have created with Pippit AI.